Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Polaris 280 backup valve is probably one of the most important components for keeping your Polaris 280 pool cleaner running smoothly and efficiently. A faulty valve can lead to decreased suction, poor cleaning performance, and ultimately, a dirtier pool. In this video, we will review the top backup valves available for your Polaris 280, helping you choose the perfect one to maintain sparkling clean water all season long. We will look at key features, durability, ease of installation, and of course, value for your money. Number 5. Makhoon Upgraded G52 Valve. This is the solution for your Polaris pool cleaner. It's designed to provide longer life and better performance than the previous version. It features a reinforced valve body and a crack-resistant polymer blend. This makes it more wear-resistant and less prone to damage. With this upgrade, it will last twice as long as its predecessor. Enjoy a longer-lasting, more reliable pool cleaning experience. The new gear mechanism is made of high-quality POM material. This ensures smooth operation and better resistance to high water pressure. It effectively addresses the problem of your pool cleaner getting stuck. It prevents water spraying even when the valve is open, keeping the water out. It's compatible with a wide range of Polaris and Zodiac pool cleaner models, including the 180, 280, 380, 480, and 3900. What we like. This backup valve boasts a reinforced body and is made from a durable, crack-resistant material. It's built to last twice as long as others. If you're tired of constantly replacing backup valves, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to replace the old one. Now, my Polaris is working like new again. Has been doing a good job. Allows cleaner to work and will cycle to pull it back. Only reverses for a short time so it gets it unstuck and then lets it go back to work. The quality of the product was very comparable to the old original valve. I would definitely purchase this again. Number 4. Airlie G52 Polaris Valve Kit. Say goodbye to constant repairs. This kit is engineered for a longer lifespan, saving you time and money. It's the last backup valve you'll ever need. Its unique design resists wear and tear for multiple seasons of reliable performance. This isn't just a valve, it's a complete kit with an upgraded gear mechanism for a smoother, more efficient clean. It fits a wide range of Polaris pool cleaner models, including 180, 280, 380, 480, and more. Check for compatibility with your model. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our no-hassle replacement or refund warranty. It's made with a crack-resistant polymer blend, ensuring it withstands the rigors of pool cleaning season after season. What we like. This backup valve features a proprietary abrasion-resistant design, promising a significantly longer lifespan than standard models. It also comes with a full replacement kit for added convenience. If you prioritize longevity and ease of replacement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This item works perfectly on my Polaris 280. I installed it in about a minute, and the machine was as good as new. Easy to install. Worked perfectly. Owned a pool company for years and this is just as good as OEM. Number 3. Polaris G52 Backup Valve Kit. This upgraded G52 backup valve is designed for Polaris pool cleaners, offering a longer lifespan and improved performance compared to older models. It's compatible with a wide range of Polaris models. It seamlessly integrates with various Polaris models, including the 180, 280, 380, 480 Pro, 3900 Sport, and Vac Sweep series. Ensuring a perfect fit for your specific cleaner. The new shell material is a crack-resistant polymer blend, making it far more durable and wear-resistant than previous versions. Expect it to last twice as long. We've identified and addressed common problems, such as sticking, continuous water discharge, and potential for damage. This improved design ensures reliable operation. The G53 gear mechanism is made from durable POM material, enabling it to withstand high water pressure. However, regular cleaning is recommended to prevent sand buildup and ensure smooth operation. We've improved the design to better handle high water pressure situations, reducing the risk of issues like the cleaner floating. Enjoy reliable performance even in challenging conditions. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, we'll respond within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This option provides a reinforced body and promises an extended lifespan. But the best part? It comes with a lifetime warranty. If you want peace of mind and a long-lasting solution, this is a great option. What people say. Works well just like original. Bought this for my Polaris 280, easy to replace and it works perfectly. Looks and operates just like a OEM part. Number 2. BlueStars G52 Backup Valve Kit. This kit is a perfect replacement part for your Polaris pool cleaner. It ensures your pool cleaner runs smoothly and efficiently. The kit includes the G52 backup valve, G53 gear mechanism, G54 outer casing, and G57 outer ring. Everything you need for a complete replacement. It's designed to perfectly fit various Polaris pool cleaner models, including the 180, 280, 480 Pro, 3900 Sport, and more. It even works in saltwater pools. It provides a backup and reverse mechanism, ensuring your pool cleaner covers the entire pool surface and avoids getting stuck. This means thorough cleaning every time. It automatically reverses the cleaner's direction every 3 minutes, preventing it from getting trapped in corners or on obstacles. Say goodbye to incomplete cleaning. Made from a durable polymer blend, it's built to last. The upgraded design reduces cracking, ensuring long-term functionality and performance. Installation and removal are a breeze. You'll have it up and running in no time. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime protection against defects. What we like. This backup valve is designed for an improved lifespan thanks to its crack-resistant casing and easy installation process. It's a simple upgrade that will save you time and money in the long run. If you value convenience and durability, this is a smart choice. What people say. They have performed beyond my expectations. No issues whatsoever. This backup valve for the Polaris installed easily and seems strong. It does unscrew more easily than the old one, but that is likely fine since none have unscrewed themselves before. Works great. Installed out of package and pool sweep is working again like new. Number 1. Zodiac Polaris Backup Valve Kit. Is your Polaris pool cleaner not performing as well as it used to? This simple replacement kit could be the solution. It's designed to restore peak efficiency. This kit makes replacing your backup valve quick and easy. No special tools are needed, saving you time and money. Get back to enjoying your pool. It fits a wide range of Zodiac Polaris models, including the 180, 280, 380, 480 Pro, 3900 Sport, and Vac Sweep models. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This kit is made with durable, high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily pool cleaning. Don't let a faulty valve compromise your pool's cleanliness. This kit will get it back to its best. Order yours today. What we like. As an original equipment manufacturer part, this backup valve guarantees a perfect fit and simple installation. It's the straightforward solution for a reliable replacement. If you prefer a guaranteed fit and a hassle-free replacement, choose this one. What people say. It was the genuine Polaris part. Works like new. Works great. Made well. Great replacement for OEM valve and much cheaper than at brand name pool stores. I love my Polaris 280 pool cleaner, but after 7+ years of almost daily use, my Polaris didn't seem to be running properly anymore, often getting stuck and moving erratically. After replacing the filters with new ones and playing with the pressure settings, checking the gears for damage, there was none. I was frustrated and about to buy a new one until I came across a reviewer's post that mentioned the valve as the culprit. As a last resort, I bought the valve, and presto, my Polaris runs like new again, saving me the cost of a new one. Apparently, worn-out valves are a common issue after 4+ years of wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.